Dialing back the gain, understanding its meaning and use. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that's often heard in both technical and everyday contexts: dial back the gain. Stick around as we break down what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Let's get started. Dial back the gain is a phrase with its roots in audio and electronic terminology. In its most literal sense, gain refers to the increase in signal strength in electronic devices, like microphones or amplifiers. To dial back means to reduce or decrease this strength. However, beyond its technical origins, this phrase is also used metaphorically in everyday language. When someone suggests dialing back the gain, they're essentially advising to reduce the intensity, effort, or level of something. It's a call for moderation, whether that be in emotions, actions, or reactions. This versatile phrase can be applied in a variety of scenarios. In social situations, if someone is being too loud or enthusiastic about a topic, a friend might suggest they dial back the gain to prevent overwhelming others. In work environments, a manager might use the phrase to advise an employee to lower the intensity of their approach to a project. Personal reflection: individuals might remind themselves to dial back the gain on their ambitions or stress levels for better mental health. Let's look at some examples to see how you can incorporate dial back the gain into your everyday language. After receiving feedback, I realized I needed to dial back the gain on my presentation style to be more effective. The team was getting too aggressive with their strategy, so the coach suggested they dial back the gain to focus on defense. When I noticed how stressed I was becoming, I decided it was time to dial back the gain on my work hours. Understanding and using phrases like dial back the gain can greatly enrich your English communication skills, adding depth and variety to your conversations. Whether you're navigating technical discussions or simply looking for a way to express the need for moderation, this phrase can be a valuable addition to your linguistic toolbox. We hope this video has shed some light on how versatile and useful English idioms and phrases can be. Don't forget to practice and see how you can dial back the gain in your own life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.